Hello everyone, welcome to the channel. We have sine x is equal to the square root of 2 minus root 2 all divided by 2. We want to find this x angle in terms of degrees that satisfies this number as its sine. Now my friends, we will try the double angle formulas. Let me remind you about that. We have sine 2x is equal to sine of 2x is equal to 2 times sine x times cosine x. We can use these. Or cosine 2x, cosine of 2x is equal to cosine squared x minus sine squared x. If we use the identity cosine plus sine squared, cosine squared plus sine squared is equal to 1, then the second formula here becomes, if we plug 1 minus sine squared for cosine squared, this becomes 1 minus sine squared. Let me write cosine 2x is equal to 1 minus sine squared, again minus sine squared, so it becomes 1 minus 2 times sine squared. We will use these. Also, we can write sine squared is equal to 1 minus cosine squared and get 2 times cosine squared minus 1 for cosine 2x. But what we need is cosine 2x is equal to 1 minus 2 sine squared x. Now we have, let me write, we have sine x. What we have is sine x is equal to the square root of 2 minus root 2 all divided by 2, and we want to calculate cosine 2x, which is equal to 1 minus 2 times sine squared x. Let me write the value here. 1 minus 2 times this square root of 2 minus root 2 all divided by 2 and square rooted. We will use our formula now. Now this is equal to 1 minus 2 times this square root, and square will cancel for the numerator, and we will have 2 minus root 2 here, and divided by 2 squared, this is 4, and cancel these 2 and 4, we will have 1 and 2. So this will become 1 minus 2 minus root 2 all divided by 2, and making the common denominator, we will have 2 minus 2, and minus times minus will become plus root 2 all divided by 2. So we get this 2 cancels, we get root 2 divided by 2, and this is actually a value for a special angle, which is 45 degrees. This is cosine 45 degrees. So let me finish the idea here, or just cosine pi over 4. Now we calculated cosine 2 times x, and we reached this is equal to pi over 4, cosine pi over 4. So 2x is equal to pi over 4 and x is equal to pi over 8 is the minimum positive angle that satisfies our equation. Actually, the general solution should look like, let me write, the general solution of this equation should look like 2x is equal to pi over 4 plus 2 pi m. So x is equal to pi over 8 plus pi m, m being an integer, or the second solution, let me write here, is 2x is equal to negative pi over 4 plus 2 pi let's say k, and x is equal to negative pi over 8 plus pi k, and k being an integer. Here m is an integer and here k is an integer. These are the general solutions, but as I said, the minimum positive solution is pi over 8 or 22.5 degrees. Thank you for watching and see you in the next videos.